all, please pick that up and bring it back over to the area here over where we had the entry tables. That is the one stipulation that we don't have to clean our pins, but we do need to take care of the trash and get it over this corner.
Yeah, one ain't cooperating at all either.
Well, that one's fourth, this one's fifth.
Good job.
There's only two out there?
Yeah.
No, there's three.
Well, we picked the third place already, so it's going to be between her and another.
And this class, the final class across the barrows. I think that for the big guys, I think there's one that's just in the mold for what I've been looking for, and I think he does it pretty handily. Black Bear's going to win the class here. Yeah! He's got a good shape. He's got a big hip and hind leg in him. He's sounding up on it. He takes it up, puts it down, he moves out, he's wide, he's big-footed. Clean-headed, but still has enough middle and enough design and look to be able to win the class. Young man coming out here, you got his tail head up in him, you put a bigger foot and bump under this bed. That one will probably give a run, give the black bear a little run for his money. But here's an awful nice bear in the second hole. Coming out this bear here in three, you just give it up some muscle shake down his top. Get him to bring his top up in and give him more overall muscle mass to him. I think that was up to his top. He's got a big hip and